Welcome to AI Crunch. Thank you for visiting, and let's dig into our next topic. Can AI replace exams? For as long as we can remember, school has followed a certain rhythm. We learn, we study, then comes the big test. It's a moment filled with pressure. What if exams, as we know them, disappeared, and AI replaced them with something better? Right now, education relies heavily on standardized tests. These exams measure performance on a single day, under pressure, with little room for error. But many educators argue this system is outdated. AI is creating an alternative: continuous assessment. Instead of waiting for one big test, AI systems can track student progress every day. Each homework assignment, quiz, or interaction becomes part of a dynamic record of learning. For many students, this single day can feel like it defines their entire understanding of a subject. Think about it. You could be having a bad day, feeling sick, or just be nervous. None of that matters when you sit down for a final exam. All that counts is what you can recall in that specific, high-stakes window of time. This system creates a huge amount of anxiety. It turns learning, which should be a joyful process of discovery, into a stressful race to memorize facts just long enough to pass a test. What if we could change this? What if, instead of high-stakes final exams, we could measure learning as it happens every single day? This is where AI offers a powerful new path forward. Imagine an AI system working alongside students as they learn. It's not there to judge them, but to guide them. As a student works through math problems, writes an essay, or engages in a science simulation, the AI tracks progress in real time. It sees which concepts they grasp and where they struggle. Continuous assessment, powered by AI. A rich, detailed picture of a student's learning journey, not just a single snapshot, not science fiction. It's happening in classrooms now. Schools are using AI-powered dashboards. Think of it like a fitness tracker for your brain. Dashboard shows exactly what students have mastered. Dashboard shows what they need to work on next. It might say, "You're great at single-digit multiplication, but let's practice with double digits." The benefits of an AI classroom are immense. It dramatically reduces student anxiety, letting them be more creative and engage deeply without the pressure of a single make-or-break exam. Fairness also gets a major boost. A continuous assessment model means one bad day no longer ruins a semester. The AI also ensures true mastery, preventing knowledge gaps. But we must be honest about the challenges. Handing over this much data about a student's learning process to an AI raises serious privacy concerns. As we think about a future with AI-powered continuous assessment, we have to consider how it will change the entire education system, including things like university admissions. For decades, colleges have relied on standardized test scores like the SAT and the ACT as a key part of their admissions process. If high-stakes exams become less common in high school, how will universities evaluate applicants? They might need to adapt by looking more closely at the detailed learning portfolios generated by these AI systems. This could actually give them a much richer, more holistic view of an applicant than a single test score ever could. It would show a student's growth, persistence, and true mastery of subjects. This doesn't mean that all tests will disappear overnight, nor should they. There is still value in asking a student to synthesize their knowledge and apply it in a new context, which is what a well-designed exam can do. Perhaps the solution isn't to eliminate exams entirely, but to transform them. Instead of a test of memorization, a final assessment could be a project, a presentation, or a collaborative problem-solving challenge. These types of assessments measure critical skills like communication, creativity. AI could create a more humane and effective education system. It's our chance to move beyond the industrial age model of sorting students and toward a personalized path focused on mastery and growth, giving every student the support they need. But we stand at a crossroads. Do we cling to traditional exams or embrace this new opportunity? We can use AI for continuous supportive assessment, while redesigned final projects celebrate and apply learning. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the follow button.